Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Bisma Official on YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. How to delete your Snapchat account permanently. How to delete your Snapchat account permanently. First, you go to the icon here. The icon where your profile is. You click on it. After that, when you come here, you click on the star on your right hand side corner. You click on it. You scroll down to I need help. Yeah, it's searching. Here you go to managing my account. So you click on it. Here you click delete or reactivate my account. So you click on it. And here you see delete or reactivate my account. You see here, how do I delete or reactivate my account? How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? So you click on the first one. You click here. It is asking you, are you using Android or iOS? That's iPhone. So if you are using an Android phone, the first one is for you. So when you're using the iOS or iPhone, that's the second one is for you. So I'm using Android, so I use the first one. So I'll click Snapchat account portal. I'll click on it. And I click. It's asking for my email, so I'll enter my email here. I'll enter my email. Here you have two things. Either you enter your email and password or use your phone number instead. So when you want to use your phone number, you click on use your phone number instead. Like, let me show you. You click, you see, and you type your phone number here. Here I want to use my Gmail or email account, so I'll click on the use email account instead. So I'll enter my email. I click next. Here it will tell you to do some simple work to show that you are the person that you are using the phone. So here, so you do the direction of how the hand is. So you do yeah. Yeah, you do the same. Yes, it has completed. Good. Here it is asking me to enter my password. So when you enter your password, it will come delete, and you click delete, and it will automatically delete your Snapchat account permanently. Can you subscribe to my channel? Thank you.